Good morning, everyone. My first topic is today's news. The government on Tuesday appointed SBI's senior most managing director Dinesh Kumar Khara as the chairman of the country's largest lender. He replaces Rajneesh Kumar, who completed his 3-year term on Tuesday. The central government appoints Dinesh Kumar Khara as chairman of State Bank of India for a period of 3 years with effect from the date of his taking over charge of the post on or after October 7, 2020 or until further orders, whichever is earlier, according to a notification issued by the Finance Minister. Last month, the bank's board bureau had recommended Mr. Khara as the next chairman of SBI. As per convention, the SBI chairman is appointed from a pool of serving managing directors at the bank. Interestingly, Mr. Khara was among the contenders for the chairman's post in 2017 as well. Mr. Khara was appointed as managing director of SBI in August 2016 for a 3-year term. He got a 2-year extension in 2019 after review of his performance. The new SBI chairman will have a tough task ahead as the banking sector is going through a major crisis due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And my second news is the global economy is looking less dire than it did in June, and the International Monetary Fund will make a small upward revision to its 2020 global output forecast. IMF Managing Director Kristalina Georgiou said on Tuesday. My key message is this: the global economy is coming back from the depth of this crisis, Mr. Georgiou said in remarks to a London School of Economic event. But this calamity is far from over. All countries are now facing what I would call the long ascent, a difficult climb that will be long, uneven, and uncertain and prone to setbacks, she added. The IMF had in June forecast that the coronavirus shutdowns would shrink global GDP by 4.9%, marking the sharpest contraction since the 1930 Great Depression, and called for more policy support. The IMF will publish its revised forecast next week. My second topic is vocabulary. My first vocab is adversary. That means one's opponent in a contest, conflict, or dispute. It is a noun. The spelling of adversary is ADVERSARY. Now I am repeating the spelling ADVERSARY, adversary. Adversary, its Hindi meaning is virodhi. For example, the Air Chief Marshal said that the country would not take its adversary lightly. एयर चीफ मार्शल ने कहा कि देश अपने विरोधी को हल्के में नहीं लेगा. The synonyms of adversary are opponent, rival, enemy, opposer, competitor, etc. And its antonyms are friendly, supporter, associate, etc. My second vocab is tinderbox. That means a dangerous and uncontrolled situation in which violence is likely to happen. The spelling of tinderbox is TINDERBOX. Now I am repeating the spelling TINDERBOX, tinderbox. Its Hindi meaning is विस्फोटक स्थिति वाला स्थान. For example, right now Eastern Ladakh is like a tinderbox. A senior army officer said. सेना के एक वरिष्ठ अधिकारी ने कहा, अभी पूर्वी लद्दाख एक विस्फोटक स्थिति वाले स्थान की तरह है. The synonym of tinderbox is flashpoint, and the antonyms are assurance, certainty, etc. Thank you. My third topic is the story of a boy. A 24-year-old boy, seeing out from the train's window, shouted, "Dad, look, the trees are going behind." Dad smiled, and a young couple sitting nearby looked at the 24-year-old childish behavior with pity. Suddenly, he again exclaimed, "Dad, look, the clouds are running with us." The couple could not resist and said to the old man, "Why don't you take your son to a good doctor?" The old man smiled and said, "I did, and we are just coming from the hospital. My son was blind from birth. He just got his eyes today." So, the conclusion of this story is every single person on the planet has a story. So, don't judge people before you truly know them. The truth might surprise you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, guys, and good afternoon, sir. Today, my topic is that news, vocab, and story. As we know, that sir had given 3 tasks. So, first, I would like to apprise the news, and news is really very important and it plays a very vital role in our life because it can also enhance our GK and magnify the knowledges of it. So, we should always carry on about it. So, I'd like to first news is tell you about this. Minister of Railway inaugurated Fulbagan Metro Station of East and West Metro. He also flagged off the first train from the newly inaugurated Fulbagan station. Extension of services from Salt Lake Stadium to Fulbagan and provides the safest, cleanest and the fastest transportation systems in Kolkata. Total length of this project 16.5 kilometers and connect Howrah on the west bank of the river Hooghly with Salt Lake City on its east bank. And first phase of the East-West Metro from Salt Lake Stadium to Salt Lake Sector 5 inaugurated by the Minister of Railway on 13th February 2020. My second news is that India PV is 2020. So, to catalyze the cutting edge PV manufacturing in India, Niti Aayog Ministry of News and the Renewable Energy and Invest India are organizing a global symposium virtually. India PV Age 2020 on October 6, 2020, and India became the third largest solar capacity country in the world and set an ambitious target of 450 gigawatt of renewable capacity by 2030 and comprising 300 gigawatt of solar capacity. So major factor behind the rise of the solar deployment, giga-scale solar manufacturing and the continuous adoption of the innovations to reduce prices and cutting-edge giga-scale solar manufacturing stands on 3 pillars. First is that disruptive PV chemistries manufacturing by the custom engineered and advanced production equipment and the utilizations of the innovative ATM components like special glass and coating. So this topic is related to the Niti Aayog and PVH 2020 because it was talking about the renewable energy and the India became the third renewable energy in our country. India became third part. So thank you guys. Thank you sir. My second topic is that vocab. So I'd like to apprise their first vocab. First vocab is that stumble. The spelling of the stumble is STUMBLE. Stumble. It means that ठोकर या ठोकरो. जब कोई चीज hurt हो, ठोकर लगे. After then realize the hurt. Then we can use in the word of the stumble. Repeating the spelling of the stumble STUMBLE stumble. If we take an examples which are related to the stumble, so I like to say there, some people learn only after stumbles. Moreover, there is no inbuilt video card in the laptop either. Good knows how terrible brain he has got. It means that if you take in short sentences, some people learn only आफ्टर स्टम्बल्स. कुछ पीपुल जो है ठोकर के बाद ही कुछ सीखते हैं. So here you can use in the word of the chambers. It can be used in any things. If you use the word of the chambers, that's why take an examples. If you related to the person's life, that's suppose that you give an exam. After then you realize that ki I have left some portion of this subjects. That's why I realized and I don't have written. That's why I have not passed. I have not passed on that exam time. So you can use in the word of this chambers because you left the questions after then realized ki how could it be possible and how could it be important for your life, because this plays a very vital role. If you left, then you can loss and less everything in our life. So here you can use the word of the stumble, stumble, stumble. It means that ठोकर. And my second word is that repent. It means that पछतावा. अगर कोई regret feel पछतावा, in the synonyms of the word repent you can take other words, regret also. So now telling you about the spelling of the repent, repent, repent. It means that pachtawa. For example, if we take a sentence, to be honest, I really tried a lot to convince him, but he is adamant and he was only saying about this laptop. I told him that there is no brands, there are many brands, but if you offering that, then you can take. But I bet he will repent one day. इट मीन्स दैट हेयर इज सेइंग अबाउट दिस कि मैंने उसे बताया कि लैपटॉप का बहुत सारा प्रोग्राम है, बहुत सारा आए हैं मार्केट्स में, बहुत थिंग्स है, तुम इसे कुछ और भी ले सकते हो, बट नहीं, वो एडमेंट था. इट मीन्स दैट कि वो अड़ा हुआ था कि मुझे यही लेना है. बाई चांस इसमें कुछ बैड इफेक्ट्स पाया जाता है, तब वन डे वह रिपेंट फील करता है. ही विल रिपेंट वन डे. here you can use in the word of the repent. If and you take also another example, suppose that your parents are insisting to study there, but if you don't do, after them once upon a time you repent and you will feel repent ki I don't accept my father's what they are saying to me, I don't have do anything. On that time you will repent and the feeling of the regret. So here you can use in the word of the repent. Now again I am repeating the spelling of the repent, 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 pachtawa. Thank you guys, thank you so. Now my third topic is story. So I am telling you about the story. This is related to the creative writing and it is like a story because this is also related to my the academic courses, that's like English, which I have read in the graduation parts. So this is really very important to you also, because if you think and create your mind, then your mind work will be on the magnifies and enhance your knowledges, and after then you can gather the information about it. So I'd like to present them. So my topic is that modes of creative writing and writing to communicate. This is very a vital role in our lives to place in everyday's life. What you feel, what you think, what you desires and aspires can think. You should write about it because it can enhance your knowledge. I had earlier told about it before starting this topic. So now come to the point of this topic. Writing is an act of communications, and while some of us may write for our unsatisfaction, most of us write in order to be read. The reader is our addresses and mirror. Therefore, while planning our work, we keep in mind the possible reactions of this auditor who will determine the success or failure of the literary artifact we create. And if we agree with writing is a social act, then all writers write in order to share thoughts, ideas, feelings, and experience with others. The questions why we write and can be answered in a variety of ways: for fame, money, and vanity. And while all this may be a part of the whole truth, a basic motivations for all writers remains to need to reach out to others and through an expressions of one inner thoughts. So through the medium of language, you write because you feel the need of free yourself of something, and this adds a psychological motivations and aesthetic compulsions to the act of writing. And while all writing is creative, a difference can be seen in the kind of writing that informs that which reveals or opens up the inner vistas of the mind, because it can also open the vistas of minds and imagination depending on the content and the form is chosen, and the structures emerges from the manner in which the writer arranges the material. In addition to the structure, the other distinct signature of each writer in her his style that can be explained as the handling of language and express the content in the best possible manner. So if you start to how to write your creative writing, so you should keep the some points in your minds. First is that read extensively and with discrimination. After then you can write very easily in the free form. Second point is that allow experience to mature. Third, writing something individuals and different chat over your own course, and keep a diary of thoughts and experience that you can refer to. If you think anything, then you should also write about the diary, because it can also remain rethink and remind about this ki what you thought about the yesterday. After then you are great, and after then have written about it. So this is a very, this is also magnified your skills in your abilities on the basics of your thoughts. That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you so.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everybody. My story name is Time and Tides Wait for None. It's very popular proverb that teaches to us make use of the present time because time once gone does not because time once gone does never return. If we waste the present time, maybe don't get another opportunity. Tides come and tides come and go. It's a continuous process. It does not wait or stop for anyone. In the same way, time keeps going, it keeps fleeting. It does never wait or stop for anyone. It's therefore essential to make time by the forelock. We must utilize every moment of the present time. The most important time is the present time, which is available to us, because the past is and the future is unknown to us. Thus, the man is wise who makes best use of time. Thank you. Now to the my second topic is vocabulary. My word is manipulate, means चालाकी से अपना काम निकालना. Spelling manipulate, manipulate. Synonym mold, mold. Antonym leave alone, leavealone, leave alone. Example: my brother always borrows my clothes and manipulates me to give him money. मेरा भाई हमेशा मेरे कपड़े उधार मांगता है और मुझे बहकाता है कि मैं उसे पैसे दूं. थैंक यू.
Good evening everyone. Today I give the current news. First off, Nitish is the leader of NDA in Bihar BJP. Second, three black hole researchers get Nobel Prize for Physician. First of all, Rosar Penrose of Britain. Second, Jenjal of Germany. And third, Andrea Gage of USA.
Good evening, everyone. So, my first news is India and Japan have finalized an ambitious agreement that provides for cooperation in 5G technology, artificial intelligence, and an era of other critical areas as the two strategic partners vote to further broad-base their tie, including in the Indo-Pacific region. After a meeting between External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and his Japanese counterpart Toshimitsu Motegi in Tokyo on Wednesday, it was announced that Japan agreed to be the lead partner in the connectivity pillar of the Indo-Pacific Ocean Initiative. The IPOI is an India-backed framework aimed at making meaningful efforts to create a safe and secure maritime domain in the Indo-Pacific, a region where China has been expanding its military assertiveness, triggering global concern. My second news is Union Cabinet clears Bengaluru suburban rail project. In a relief for Bengaluruans grappling with notorious traffic snails, the Union Cabinet on Wednesday cleared the long pending 148-kilometer Bengaluru suburban rail project, sources said. However, no official announcement was made due to the election model code of conduct due to by elections, while bipodals to the two assembly constituency Sira and Rajarajeshwari Nagar will be held on November 3rd. A formal announcement is likely to be made later. Okay, this task is about two words. So my first word is immaculate. The spelling is IMMACULATE, immaculate. इसका मीनिंग है एकदम सही, निखुत. So immaculate, the synonym of immaculate is perfect, and the antonym of immaculate is messy. And the sentence is, this boy is very well known person because of his immaculate work. My second word is terminate. The spelling is TERMINATE, terminate, मतलब ख़त्म करना. The synonym of terminate is finish, and the antonym of terminate is begin. And the sentence is, he was advised to terminate the contract. As the third task, uh, I need to tell about any story. So I would like to say briefly about a story which I heard in my childhood, which is the story name is The Greedy Couple. Once upon a time, in a village, there lived a couple, and they had a duck, and the duck used to lay a golden egg every day. So the couple is very happy for that, and they survive with their duck, and they do not need to do any work for their food because of their duck is give them every day a golden egg. But one day, because of their greediness, the couple discussed that if the duck gives them every day a single golden egg, then the in the belly of the duck there may be lots of golden egg available. So they decided to kill the duck, and they want to collect the all golden egg. So one day the couple killed the duck, and after kill they cannot find any golden egg. So after that they realized that they did wrong, and there is no golden egg. After doing the wrong work, they regret, and they lost their golden laying duck. Thank you.
tortoise was far behind the rabbit was, and the rabbit was tired, so rabbit decided to sleep sometime. And one and when he woke up, he suddenly saw the tortoise reached nearing the winning spot. So, so the rabbit was again running and running, but the tortoise was in the match. And the moral of the story: slow and steady wins the race. And the first vocab is optimist. Optimist means hopeful. Synonym is confident and cheerful. Antonym is doubtful and sorrowful. And I have high optimism for you. And second vocab is pessimist. Pessimist means injustice. And synonym is hopeless and despairing. And antonym is encouraging and promising. And example is pessimist people never happy in her life, in her or his life.
Hello sir, hello everyone. Today's now I am going to give the news. Ladakh to get more than 6 scheduled benefits under Modi government. Anurag Thakur, Leh, October 7th, allaying Ladakhis fear of losing jobs and land. Union Minister Anurag Thakur on Wednesday arrested that the century would provide more than that was there in a sixth schedule of constitution, a demand which had gained momentum after that region was declared a separate union territory last year. The Minister of State of Finance was in Leh to kick-start the official comparison of the BJP for the upcoming polls to the Ladakh's Autonomous Hill Development Council. Leh, the first democratic exercise in the Union Territory. The 26 seats of Ladakh LASDC Leh are going to polls on October 22 and is likely to witness a new battle between the BJP, Congress and Aam Aadmi Party, which is trying to luck for the first time in the region. None of the region parties, including the National Conference and People's Democratic Party (PDP), has jumped into the fray. My second topic is vocabulary. Buddy, spelling Buddy, means mitra, sathi या दोस्त. In the meaning, Vicky and I have been buddies for years. My second one is tremendous, spelling Tremendous. It in the meaning he is tremendous, powerful.
Good evening, good evening, sir. My topic name is Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is very a special occasion for everyone, especially for a teacher and a student. It is celebrated by students every year on 15th September to pay respect to their teachers. 5th September has been declared as Teachers' Day in India. It is celebrated on the auspicious occasion of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan birthday, who was great day teacher and President of India. On this day, especially students present their sincere wishes and prayers to their teachers and organize singing competitions, dance competitions, drama and mimicry of their loving teachers to feel them proud. In some schools, students dress up as teachers and take the role of teachers by conducting classes. Students present cards, flowers, and special gifts to their favorite teachers to show their love, affection, and respect to teachers. They prepare little speeches in honor of their teachers. We should realize the importance and need of our teacher in our lives, and we should celebrate Teachers' Day every year to honor the contribution of teachers in our lives.
Good evening, sir. Today's news are: first news is World Cotton Day, 7th October. World Cotton Day means WCD is observed globally on 7th October since 2019. The International Day aims to celebrate the advantages of cotton, ranging from its qualities as a natural fiber to the benefits people obtain from its production, transformation, trade, and consumption. And the second news is CDAC to commission India's fastest supercomputer Brahmsiddhi AI means artificial intelligence. The Center for Development of Advanced Computing CDAC will be commissioning India's largest HPC AI supercomputer Paramsiddhi AI. This initiative will place India among the top countries in global AI supercomputing research and innovation. The initiative was headed by Abhishek Das, scientist and program director at CDEC, who conceived the idea and designed the architecture for the largest HPC AI infrastructure in India. Thank you. Today's word. First word is cheerful. CHEERFUL means hopefulness, confidence, and the antonym of the word is dejected, hopeless, gloomy. Sentence: we should or we should always a cheerful person. And the second word is avail. AVAIL means help, invail, add, and the antonym of the word is successfully. Sentence: I used to get avail of English by online class. Thank you, sir. I am going to tell a story about Count Wisely. One day, King Akbar asked a question in his court that left everyone in the courtroom puzzled as they all tried to figure out the answer. Birbal walked in and asked what the matter was. They repeated the question to him. The question was, how many crows are there in the city? Birbal immediately smiled and went up to Akbar. He announced the answer. He said, there were 21,523 crows in the city. When asked how he knew the answer, Birbal replied, ask your men to count the number of crows. If there are more, then the relatives of the crows must be visiting them from nearby cities. If there are fewer, then the crows from our city must be visiting their relatives who lived outside the city. Pleased with the answer, Akbar presented Birbal with a ruby and pearl chain. So, the moral of the story is having an explanation for your answer is just as important as having an answer. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Today's news are Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2020 announced. The 2020 Nobel Prize in Chemistry is awarded to Emmanuel Carpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna for the development of a method for genome editing. The Nobel Prize in Chemistry is awarded by the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, Stockholm, Sweden. Another news is veteran Bollywood actor Vishal Anand passes away. Veteran Bollywood actor Vishal Anand has passed away. He came to fame with 1976 super hit song and series Chalke Chalke. His real name was Dushman Kohli. He has appeared in 11 Hindi films during his acting career like Hindustan Pikatan and Taxi Driver. Apart from acting, Anand has also directed and produced a film including Chalke Chalke. That's all. Now, today's word is appear, which means प्रवेश करना. Spelling of appear is APPEAR. Synonyms of this word is enter, take, catch, begin, and the antonyms of this word is vanish, disappear. Now the sentence time. He appeared in the class without asking teacher. If we enter into the class or if we appear into the class, then we should always ask the teacher, may I come in, sir? That's also.